Hey, what's up, guys? How are you today? This is Phil Barneo from Real Estate Rockstar Partnership. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to make a quick video, and so let me show you on the board quick why I went to EXP in a nutshell, in a kind of a quick overview, because I get the question a lot. So this is the answer to it. So first, I was in a transactional company. And then when I learned about what EXP was doing, the easiest way for me to explain it to you is that within EXP Realty, you can add 3 streams of real estate income, which is remarkable. You cannot do that in any other real estate company like you can in EXP. So you can add, there's 3 streams. So the first stream that you can add in EXP is what you're used to, and that would be your transactional income. Transactional income, okay? Now, every realtor, every agent is used to doing transactions and getting paid on transactions. What EXP offers in their transactional income to all agents is an 80-20 split with a 16K cap. The second way you earn income in EXP is you get paid stock. So you're getting stock reward, okay? So EXP gives you stock as you conduct your, regular real estate business. There's 5 ways to get stock in EXP Realty as you conduct your business. And that's awesome. I get emails and it says, hey, you got $200 and something in EXP stock today. Hey, you got, another few $100 in EXP stock today. Hey, you got, I wake up to emails where I'm getting stock. I never got that in the other company that I was with. So you're getting a stock portfolio. Now you can do whatever you want with that stock. Once it's vested, some of it has to be vested, some of it you can use right away. But it's yours. You can trade it, you can keep it. It's up to you, and it stays with you. So you're planting seeds into your future. All right. The third way you get paid in EXP is, and this is like, in my opinion, the most powerful thing that you've got to understand. This is revenue share. So revenue share is when you're able to attract other agents into the business. So if you share EXP with other agents, you're building an organization and you're bringing other agents into EXP. EXP pays you revenue share when you're bringing people in 7 levels deep, and you literally start to get passive income. We get passive income directly deposited right into our account. When anybody within our organization, at the end of each month, when they sell real estate, we get passive income checks sent right into our account for the revenue share. So EXP shares a piece of that revenue with us. Now, how does that work? Well, this 80-20 split up here, 20% of that is EXP's. So EXP takes 20% of your check, your income, up to $16,000, right? So what they do, though, is out of that 20%, 10% of that goes to rev share, and the other 10% of that goes to EXP company. So they use the 10% to build their company, to pay their employees, to do all the things that they need to do to grow EXP into the #1 real estate company in the world, which is where we are headed, and that's the goal of EXP. So what's cool is they share half of all of the revenue that is earned with all of the agents. And so as you can see, everybody can work for transactional income, and that's a great split and cap in most organizations. There's not many companies that beat that. However, there are some, and I was in one. I was in a transactional company where I technically had a better split, right? But interestingly enough, and this is another caveat that EXP threw in there, I actually pay EXP less than I pay the transactional company. And there's a reason for that. The reason is because EXP has what's called, if you're a productive agent, you can go icon. So when you go icon, which is capping, when you cap at $16,000, which is 20, that's an $80,000 GCI, you're going to cap, right? So once you do $80,000 in GCI, gross commission income, once you do 20 more transactions after that, you go icon. So once you cap, and then you go plus 20 transactions, you go icon. Now guess what? When you go icon, it's awesome because you get your cap back. EXP says, thank you. Here is $16,000 in EXPI stock for capping and doing 20 more transactions and going icon. Now here's the thing. There's a $250 transaction fee after you cap. That's common when you cap in lots of companies. So you're paying EXP $5,000, okay? So what did I give my broker at the end of the day after you go icon? You gave him $5,000 and you got your $16,000 back in EXPI stock. So you're getting not only the 16,000 back from going icon, but you're still getting the other stock too. So you're making money on stock. Just like I said, that's a great way to earn income. And then you're also making the passive income on the rev share. So not only did I technically give away less to my broker every single year, so I earned more, right? So we've done a few $100,000 in GCI, last year, would have went icon and EXP, would have gave EXP less money, made more money, kept more money, earned a bunch of stock, and earned a bunch of rev share. Now, as this compounds, right, and as you start to go year after year after year, and you start to build up more and more stock, and the stock value starts to increase, and you start making more money because we definitely believe the stock value is going to be increasing, and then you start to build your organization bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you start getting rev share checks. The goal is to create financial freedom through your rev share and your stock so that you can retire. You don't want to work forever. I enjoy, real estate. I enjoy the transactions and working and stuff like that. But honestly, people want financial freedom, and people want to work because they want to work, not because they have to work. And that's what EXP gives you the opportunity to do that no other company in real estate does. EXP, hands down, is the best financial move for any real estate agent on the face of the earth. There's no better company right now giving you more opportunity to create financial freedom and to create an exit strategy and a retirement than you're going to get in EXP. It's just non-existent. And that's why I made the move to EXP from a transactional company. And what happened when I did make the move, it caused me to look into, all the other different types of companies that were out there. I'm not going to name the companies, but I looked into all the major companies. Some offer profit share, and some are trying to copy what EXP is doing. But when I dug deeply into all of them, none of them could match the financial, offer that EXP gives us. EXP was hands down way more lucrative when it comes to the monetary rewards that they offer us as agents. And coming from somebody who is, a real estate investor and a business person, an entrepreneur, I've been an entrepreneur my entire life since I was 20 years old. I've never had a job since I was like 20 years old. And so for me, it's always been about business. It's always been about opportunity. And it's always been about what the other awesome part about EXP when it comes to the opportunity, it's the opportunity that you have to offer opportunity to your agents, to the agents that you bring into your organization. If you're a team leader like I was, you cannot offer your agents what they can get in EXP. You can't offer them stock. You can't offer them rev share. You can't, and then this is just the financial. There's so many other things that I don't have time to go into this video about. But this is just on a financial aspect. I would love to talk with you more and show you more about what else there is, the collaborations that we have within the Honey Badgers Rockstar partnership and all of the things that we're doing with our other partners with Excel training. There is so much that we have to offer at EXP. But just looking at the financial snapshot, you are not going to find a better opportunity in real estate to become financially free, to build security for yourself, for your family, and to be able to retire one day. And so that is why I made the move, and that is why I would make the move and choose EXP over any real estate company out there, because EXP hands down offers agents a better opportunity to create the freedom that everybody is looking for. And there's just more opportunity in the collaborations that we have, in the trainings that we have, in the support that we have for agents. I haven't seen anything like this in any other company. And I know there are a lot of other companies that do a pretty good job when it comes to training. But what I've seen in EXP is phenomenal. There is so much training because everybody is collaborating with one another when you're looking at all the partners we have. So we have EXP that's offering training on a daily basis, hours and everything, for like 15 hours of training you can get to a day over there. And then there's other training that all of our partners and myself and everybody are offering. So EXP is just a different type of a model of real estate that offers opportunity, not only financial, but also when it comes to training, support, technology, and everything that we're doing. And even helping you build your organization. So you want to build this rev share right here, right? You might be saying to yourself, but Phil, I don't want to just be a recruiter. That's all you do in EXP, you're recruit. No, that's not true at all. We're always building transactional income. Yes, of course, we've done plenty of transactional income. We're top producers. And then you get your stock. Now your rev share is something that we've created a way to casually attract other agents when you're doing business. We have tools, we have different things that I would be happy to show you that we can offer you, that apps and stuff like that, and all these different things to be able to send people information to get them more, like the video I'm making right now. We have access to videos and different things to help you present EXP to others to be able to build up that rev share so that you can have a 6-figure passive income to retire on. Let me throw this at you. EXP wants to be at 500,000 agents in the next 5 years. So if that is even remotely close to what they're going to accomplish, that means a lot of real estate agents are coming over to EXP. And it's actually obviously happening right now. We're getting over 1,000 agents sometimes, in a week to come over. And so what happens with all those agents that are coming, why not take the rev share and have some of them be yours? Why not create a 6-figure passive income in the next 5 years for you? Right? Why not you? The rising tide raises all ships. EXP is growing. The stock, we believe, is going to keep growing. The financial opportunity is there for you to take, but you got to get on board if you want it. Okay? So I'm going to sign off here. That's the reason why I chose EXP. And so, with that said, take care. God bless you. I look forward to having any type of conversation with you if you are curious, if it's a good fit. If you're open and you want more information, I will be happy to talk with you and show you all of the tools and the trainings and the things that we have going on to help you become financially free and build wealth in EXP. If you're a team leader, if you're a broker, we have an amazing opportunity for you. We have amazing things and tools that we can help you really create financial freedom and put down, especially with the brokers, put down all the hats of, all of the nuances that brokers have to go through, like the liability, right? All of the certain lawsuits and all these other things, and you're constantly trying to. You're the ones. The brokers are the ones that are constantly trying to recruit. In EXP, when we're building our rev share, when we're attracting other agents, we also have other agents within our organization that are attracting lots of other agents as well, which helps so much. It makes it a lot better. So independent brokers have it harder because they don't have even profit share or anything to offer, let alone revenue share. So on this note, if you are a licensed real estate agent, I totally think you're insane if you do not take a look at Exp Realty, because the leverage and the financial opportunity is hands down the best. So I'm going to sign off right there. So I truly hope that you enjoyed that video I just made for you. Now, below on this page, there are a bunch of other very, very valuable and informative videos that you can check out and learn all about Exp Realty and the wonderful opportunity that we have here to partner with us in the Exp Rockstar partnership. Take a look below, watch some of those videos, then click on one of the buttons below that will take you to my calendar to schedule a phone call or a Zoom meeting with me where we can discuss more about EXP and see if our partnership and EXP would be a good fit for you.